Well, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on or off the vibration on your controller on the PlayStation 4. So I'm just on the home screen right here. I want to go up to the top and then go to Settings and select this. Then go on down to where it says Devices. Then go to Controllers. Now you have the option to turn on or off vibrations right here. Now if your controller is stuck vibrating, if you flip around, there is a small reset hole right here. Stick a bobby pin or a toothpick in here and press it down and it will reset your controller. Otherwise, what you can do is hold down the PlayStation button. Just continue to hold this down for about 10 to 15 seconds and it will manually turn off your PlayStation 4 controller. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.